Howdy all you cowboys, cowgirls, gunfighters, and gamblers. Welcome to another episode of Jedi TV. I'm your time-traveling host, Jedi Knight, and on today's show, we get tactical. One of the products I purchased to make traveling easier is this 42-inch VooDoo Tactical Weapons case. I needed something that would travel securely, be easy to transport in and out of hotels, and hold all of my gear for a cowboy action shooting match. And while this VooDoo Tactical Weapons case is not exactly period correct to the 1800s, it is extremely practical for any shooting sport, from modern to Wild Western. I was able to fit all of my main match guns into this bag. An Uberti 1866 Yellow Boy with a 20-inch barrel, an SKB 200E shotgun with 22-inch barrels, and even a pair of 1851 Navy revolvers with 5 1/2-inch barrels. All of the gear fits securely, and the long guns are separated by a padded center divider, as well as being secured into their own padded pockets with Velcro straps. 2 inches of foam padding surround the outside perimeter of the long guns, and this section is closed off with a self-repairing military-style zipper with locking zipper pulls. The revolvers slide into their own padded pockets and are secured with a full-length Velcro closure. At the front of the bag, on top of the padded pistol area, there are 3 covered pouches. These pouches work out great for carrying more than enough ammo for a standard cowboy action shooting match. I was able to put in 100 rifle rounds, 100 pistol rounds, and 50 shotgun rounds. And while this much ammo along with the firearms does make the bag quite heavy, there are a lot of carrying options. With the carry handle, with the shoulder strap, or like a backpack. The VooDoo Tactical Bag measures 42 inches long, 5 1/2 inches wide, and 12 inches high. The bag is well designed and features heavy-duty construction, and it functions great for what I purchased it for, transporting an entire match worth of guns and ammo safely and securely to and from the range. The VooDoo Tactical Bag is available from Amazon in a variety of colors. The price at the time I purchased it was under $100 for the black bag. Now, if you're interested in purchasing a bag like this, I will put a buy link in the description box of this video. But that's all for this episode of Jedi TV. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up by clicking on that like button. And if you just happened across our channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button for more great Wild West infotainment. I'm Jedi Knight, and I'll see you in some other place, in some other time. Helicopters. Every time I try to record, helicopters.